Wait, stop scrolling. I know what you're thinking. Penny stocks are scams. Pump and dump. 99% of the time, you're right. But this is the 1%. A penny stock trading under $2. Real technology, real patents, real customers, and a clean balance sheet. It's called MicroVision, ticker MVIS, and it could be the biggest overlooked opportunity in autonomous vehicles. Stay till the end. I'll give you analyst price targets and the one risk you cannot ignore. MicroVision makes LiDAR, the laser sensors that self-driving cars use to see the world. Without LiDAR, a self-driving car is blind, and the LiDAR market is projected to grow from $1.5 billion today to over $20 billion. By 2030, that's a 13-time increase. MicroVision has over 500 patents, no toxic debt, no reverse split threats. This is not a shell company. They've been building technology for 3 decades. Rewind to 2023. They acquired Dibio's automotive LiDAR software, German engineering, then came to OEM partnerships with major car companies, unnamed but real. Development milestones met, production commitments signed. If just one OEM builds 500,000 vehicles a year with MicroVision LiDAR at $500 per unit, that's $250 million in annual revenue. The company's market cap today is just over $200 million, do the math. But there's more. In late 2025, they started shipping MAVIN DR units to industrial customers. Then in early 2026, they launched MOVIA S, a short-range, energy-efficient LiDAR for robotics and drones. Then they partnered with Avular for autonomous drone systems, and they acquired key assets from Luminar for $33 million, strengthening their product line. This is not a company standing still. This is a company executing. Now the risks: automotive development cycles are long. Real revenue may not come until 2028 or 2029. Competition is fierce. Luminar, MVIS, Hesai all have deeper pockets, and cash burn is real. MicroVision has approximately $46 million in cash and burns about $17 million per month. That gives them roughly 8 to 9 months of runway. They recently raised capital and extended debt terms, but they need to generate revenue or raise more. This is a high-risk, high-reward bet. Do not invest money you cannot lose. But here's why the risk is worth considering at today's price around $1.10. Analysts have price targets ranging from $2 to $3.15 per share. The conservative average is just over $3. That's nearly 3 times upside. And if the OEM deals go to production and industrial LiDAR scales, some models show $10 to $15 within 3 to 5 years. Every time MicroVision announces a milestone, the stock jumps 20 to 30% in days. Second OEM deal? 80 cents to 140, MOVIA S launch. Another pop. These are not random pumps. These are reactions to real progress. Before you go, disclaimer. Nothing here is financial advice. Penny stocks are extremely risky. You can lose everything. Do your own research. I'm just a person on the internet. If you made it to the end, you now understand the opportunity. Real technology. Massive market. Clean balance sheet. Beaten down price. Smash like if you're willing to hold for 3 years. Comment LiDAR if you believe in self-driving cars. Subscribe and hit the bell. My next video is on another hidden penny stock. I'll see you in the next one.